Alright, so let's get into it. Adding and subtracting polynomials. These problems that I'll be doing are directly from your homework, so make sure you do them in order that I do. And don't just start numbering them 1, 2, 3, 4, because it's not how I'm going to do it. So watch this video, do what I do, and you get full credit. Alright, here we go. Now this is an addition sign right here, which means we are adding. No need to worry about it. All we do is we rewrite 5p squared minus 3 plus sign 2p squared minus 3p to the third. Now these types of problems, addition, are the ones that I can understand if you don't use or show a lot of work. Some of you might not need this step, but I'm going to because I'm making sure we're on the same page. Now, the next step is to write it in descending order and combine like terms whenever possible. That's my highest degree, so that goes first. Negative 3p to the third. After that, I'm going to notice that, oh, those are both p squareds. So I have to combine them. So this will be plus 7p squared. And then last but not least, I have a minus 3. This is written in standard form, otherwise known as descending order. That problem is completed. Okay? That's all you have to do. Then, this is a subtraction problem. Now, when it's subtraction, I want you all to show that you have to remove the parentheses here. So just write 3a squared plus 1. But then you have to distribute this negative sign to each of the terms inside the parentheses here. So instead of positive 4, this becomes minus 4. And then instead of plus 2a squared, it becomes minus 2a squared. I need to see that step on your homework, please. Thank you. After that, you combine like terms. So 3a squared minus 2a squared is just a squared. And then I have 1 minus 4, which is negative 3. So that's going to be your difference right there, since it's a subtraction problem. All right, back to addition. I don't really like dealing with k's, but I'll do it anyway. So this is an addition problem, so I'm just going to rewrite everything exactly as it is. This is plus negative 3k to the fourth minus 14k squared and minus 8. So I'm going to go ahead and pick out these first, and I'm going to combine those because those are my highest degree terms. So it'll be negative 7k to the fourth. Then I have some k squareds here and here. Now if we combine those, we get a negative 11k squared because negative 14 plus 3 is negative 11, and you just keep k squared the same way. After that, let's see if I can change the color again. Tricolor. So when we do 14 and adding a negative 8 to it, we get positive 6. So that's going to be my sum right there. Once again, sum is the answer to an addition problem. Then we have our following subtraction problem. All right, let's start with green. So 3 minus 6n to the fifth minus 8n to the fourth. Now, we're going to start with plus 6n to the fourth because subtracting a negative or distributing a negative right there. Then plus 3n, and then finally plus 8n to the fifth. Once you've done that, that's the hard work. Then now it's just adding and subtracting. So these two here combine to make 2n to the fifth. Then we have these two going in descending order, so this would be minus 2n to the fourth, followed by plus 3n. This one doesn't have any buddies, no like terms. And then we finish that up with a plus 3 right here. So this one actually had a couple that didn't match up, but that's okay. They don't have to. That's our correct answer right there. In descending order, all simplifying has been done. Now this subtraction problem here, we're going to start by just rewriting 13a squared minus 6a to the fifth minus 2a, and then we have to distribute. So this becomes positive 10a squared, then plus 11a to the fifth, then minus 9a. Now once you have that done, you're combining like terms. I'm going to start with the highest degrees, which are there and there. Those combine for a 5a to the fifth. Then we look for a squareds. I have two of those right there. So those add up to a positive 23, shout out to MJ, a squared. And then I have two more terms to combine. They are my a's. So this would be minus 11a. That's it. Okay, so I've done 4 problems so far. I got a couple more left, I think. Maybe this is the last one. Who knows? I suppose I probably should. Now it's an addition problem, so all we have to do is rewrite it. Negative 10k squared plus 7k plus 6k to the 4th. And this is going to be plus negative 14 minus 4k to the 4th minus 14k. Now, I did put the plus before the minus here, but you just combine like terms anyway. There's no big deal. No problem with that. So I have my fourths here and fourth there, fourth powers. So they combine to positive 2k to the 4th. Then I have my k squared, one right there, just one. So minus 10k squared. After that, I have to look for my k's. I have one right here and one right there. So give me negative 7k. And then last but certainly not least, I have my negative 14. So minus 14 right there. No other like terms to combine. That is done. Okay, now you're going to complete the rest of the problems, just 1 through 25. Let me go ahead and just underline this. Not the whole thing, just 1 through 25 on a separate sheet of paper. Show all your work and you'll get all the points. Thank you very much.